So basically, if you're coming to this route, Himmat Gopala Swami Betta is actually here. So before you need to go, you cannot take your bike or cars there. You have to take a local transport and then get out. So this is the ride that you take. It's a beautiful temple of Krishna. So my family relatives only are the people who take care of it. So with that, towards Kotagiri or Ooty, whatever. The bike I saw here, I love this bike. Thunderbird. Very interesting bike. So we are here, the Bandipur entrance tiger reserve. So let's see if we can spot some animals. We'll figure that out. Keep us safe, and everyone keep the forest safe. Let's see if we can spot something. Someone has stopped in between. I hope they're seeing something. Wow, there are the deers. Not bad, boys. Lovely. Good sign if you see deer. Yen kombala hasko. Nadri baitare. We can't stop basically. There's a lot of deer. There's a lot of deer here actually. I'll show you, see. So you need to keep left. I think you can go inside a forest here is what I know. Let's see if we can spot something else. So basically if you finish off the entire slight forest area, you come to this. It does say welcome to Bandipur. So you can use the washrooms if you want. There's a tiger reserve that they would take you to. This is what I know, but I've seen people hardly spot it. So it again depends on the kind of interest that you have. Such cool breeze, man. Bengaluru, one of the reasons even I have started to take care of greenery so much is one, I need to keep the greenery for my future generation, or rather everyone's future generation. And the second most important part is I need to be healthy as well, right? And I've started to grow plants in my terrace, doing very smallest of the things, but that's whatever is in my control, I'm able to do it. I wish some tiger walks up and says hi. It's actually funny though, it shouldn't happen like that. So finally there is elephants. Wow, beautiful. Abhi onchur munde tode. Abhi, just me sikiro ninde. Wow, mari jota ida. Risk jasti. So you should always not do it. Wow, Ganeshan Swarupan tarane idala side inda. So it looked exactly like Ganapati. Such a beautiful moment. When we started the ride, we were sure that I will see elephant is what I felt. We will see elephant is what I felt. Wow, such a beautiful moment. I think we are exiting Vandanegalu. Finally we saw an elephant. So this is the checkpost. Yeah, what attention for bikes. You need to be very slow because these are Hanumans. Kanta gaadi baruttama. The pink one. Beautiful. Seeing in zoo is different, seeing in wild is very different actually. This is Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. So this is where Karnataka ends. Abhi Karnataka Mukshi Tamil Nadu start alla? Mudumalai. Karnataka Mukshi Tamil Nadu start alla ivaga? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಸೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸರಿ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಣ. Let's see how fast I can go on this. Not bad. So saw 3 elephants, a bunch of deer. We'll spot a bit of bisons as well. I think we should be able to spot it towards Ooty. Let's see. Wow. Wow. That's beautiful deer. I think that's a male one. So we took a small break here, and that's how the story of GS. 300 kilometers done already, boys. So done with the small break, and now let's head back and wait for the U-turn pin bends. So that is the thingy now. Suspension ಕೆಳಗಾಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅದು ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ವೆಯ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ರಿಸ್ಕು, ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟು. ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಬಲ್ಲು. ಅದು ಇದು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು 5 ಲೀಟರ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಹೆವಿ ಅನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಗಾಡಿ
ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಲೈಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರೀ ಓಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಹುಡುಕ್ದೆ, ಒಂದು 35-40 ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ. So let's head back. I think we have like some 13 odd hairpin bends that you would see right now. The weather is slightly hotter, but of course that cool air, like I told you a few minutes back, that's the best part. There's a way actually to slow down. So let's say if you don't want to get on of that smaller roads that you have, just brake and stand there. That guys will automatically slow and go. Wow, look at the wild. Nice. I think they're used to the sound, I suppose. I think they also live very close to the habitat because some of the wild animals like cheetahs, tiger, lions, they don't attend. So that's the best part. If they don't attack, nothing like it, nah? Look at the... ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟು. Hairpin bends. Why did you go for Ladakh? You have so many bends here itself. Clutch burning scenes.